What's that? Oh my god. It's my YouTube award. Yay!
This is for Jessica.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I'm just so grateful. God bless you all. I am so excited my silver play button finally arrived, but before I do the unboxing video, coffee first and a blow dry. Cello. Hi, good morning. So I'm so excited because I got my silver play button today. Yay, congrats! Thank you. Finally getting a blow dry. First time in like 3 months. So excited. Getting a temperature check before my blowout. All good?
Good. Excuse us while the battery is low.
Okay.
Okay. You're good. 95.7.
Yay, I passed. This is like a day of unboxing so many things. I've never used one of these things, have you? Life of a YouTuber. Behind the scenes. Which way does it go? This way? I don't even know which way it goes. It looks like it would go like this, no? This is my awesome friend Brian helping me set up behind the scenes. How's this dress? Do you think it's better than the other one? Mm-hmm. It's more vibrant.
Yeah, I think it's great.
I don't even, okay.
Great.
It's so weird, like, you know, being on the camera like this way, I'm always like,
I know.
hey guys, I'm here.
You're like more on the spot, for sure.
So like when you sit down and you have like all this to say, okay. All right.
Just get that joyful.
Lots of energy.
There we go.
Too bad my coffee's wearing off.
Is it? Okay, get double shot next time.
Okay, is it on?
It's on.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Okay guys, the time has come. Time for me to unbox my YouTube 100,000 subscribers silver play button. Yay! Thanks to you guys, I got this award from YouTube. It is a huge milestone for any YouTuber to reach 100,000 subscribers because I mean, that is a lot of people. That's so many people like watching you from around the world, and it feels really good to know that I've created content that is watchworthy and interesting. I wouldn't have been able to do it if it wasn't for each and every one of you that not only subscribe to my videos but likes and comments and supports me. This award is dedicated to you guys. I've had my YouTube channel for like years, but I didn't really start taking it seriously until maybe like 2 years ago when I went to India. I started doing a few videos here in LA just to practice, and then I started traveling and making more content, and then the subscribers started going up. It's really sort of like my passion. I love to travel, I love to share my experiences, and I love to inspire. And so I feel like that is why God has blessed me with where I'm at now, and it's only gonna go higher and higher and higher. So the next award will be 1 million subscribers play button, which is even way cooler than this one. But you know what? Enough talking. Let's unbox this thing. Okay guys, I'm about to read the letter that was sent to me by Susan, who is the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. I think I'm about 130,000 now by the time this award came, which is crazy. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, as we'd like to recognize you in all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. No way. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. Just wait, guys. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Thank you, Susan. Oh my God, my award! It's so pretty! Let's take it out of the plastic. Says presented to Jessica Savano for passing 100,000 subscribers. I just want to thank the Hollywood Foreign Press, the Motion Picture Association, ArcLight Cinemas, my agent, my manager, and just God. I'm just so grateful. Thanks to everyone that helped me win this award. God bless you all. Okay guys, in celebration of my award, we are going to have Mexican food. So this is our lunch. I hate all of these disposable containers. It's so wasteful. This is my guilt-free quesadilla. I love my life. Oh my God, you're a YouTuber too.
Yes, I am. What's up?
I love your shirt. Let me see it. I need one of those.
Yeah, you gotta make you one, or make you one.
Yes. I just got my 100,000 subscribers plaque today.
100,000 subscribers?
Yes, let me show you.
Okay. I remember when I first got mine.
How many subscribers do you have?
I have 300,000.
Wow.
300,000, yeah.
LA
Yeah.
YouTubers in the house.
Congratulations, though. This is really big. So
Thank
now you gotta get
you.
your million.
Yes.
Onto a
We're
million.
working
You
that.
gotta go hard. Yeah, you gotta go hard. Keep making good content.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Marquise Trill. My YouTube is Marquise Trill, and I love my life.
Yes! Oh, I was gonna have you say I love my life.
I love my life. Had a download.
Smoothie time.
So, Jessica, beautiful Jessica, regular customer of ours, just got to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we're gonna celebrate with her and talk about how much we love her and love our lives and love everything. That's so exciting. It's all about that's so exciting. All right. Congratulations, Jess. We love our lives.
Take two.
We love it.
We love our lives.
We love our lives.
This award is for Jessica. Yeah. Come back a little. Yeah, I'm directing right now. Okay, you have to talk loud. This award is for Jessica for reaching 100,000 subscribers.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
This is for Jessica. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I'm just so honored for this award. I want to thank you. I want to thank my agent, my manager, and for all of my fans and the Hollywood Academy for this
Thank you so
award.
much. Thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.